Hello and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So for today's video, I am going to teach you how to create navigation menu in WordPress. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So first things first, what you need to do is to go to the editing page of WordPress. So from your dashboard on your editing page, just locate appearance right here, and under appearance, go to the menus. So right here, as you can see on this section right here, these are the items that are already available currently on my website. So let us go and check if all of the items are available. So home, about, services, and contacts. So these are the current available navigation menus on my page. So I'm going to create a new one for me to be able to show you the step-by-step process on how I can create those menus. So I'm going to name it as sample menu, create menu, and then now I can add items to my menus. So by the way, these are the items that you can add. You can add pages, posts, custom links, and categories. So just make sure first that prior to this process, you have already created these items right here. So I've created home, about, contact page, or contact services as my page. And for the posts, I have this one right here. So you can do that by going onto the section right here. So for the pages, go to this section right here, and for the posts also. So once you have created all of your items, they will be reflected on the section right here. So just simply check the item that you want to add to your menu. So I'm not going to add contact for it to be able to differentiate right later on after this process. So I'm not going to add contact, and I'm going to select hello world and add that to my menu. And I'm also going to add, I'm so sorry that is wrong, add that. So I'm going to also add custom links. I'm going to add Instagram. So this is just a random link. Instagram. Here you go. And now these are all the items that I want to appear on my navigation menu. And I'm going to use the Hello World and Instagram items as my submenus. So I'm going to show you later what submenu does to your website. So I'm going to do that by simply dragging the item right slightly to the right. I'm going to also do that for the Instagram. So as you can see, it says right here sub item. So once you are satisfied with the arrangement or the order of your items, you can just go to this menu settings. So by the way, you can simply adjust the order of your items by dragging them just like that. So again, let us go to the menu settings. So this is the section where you can select the location of your items or the menu items. Going to select it as a primary menu and a footer menu. So for the primary menu, it basically means that the items or the menu will be available on the most top part of your website right here, and for the footer menu it will be available on the bottom part of your website. So I'm going to select it or use it as my primary and footer menu and save that. So if you have forgotten to do this process, don't worry, because you can also do that on this section right here. So just go to the manage locations and select your menu right here as a primary menu and do that for all of the options. So you can opt to use that also as your secondary menu, off canvas menu, login account menu, and a footer menu. But I'm going to only use that as my primary and footer menu. And if you're ready, or if you have created the change, just go ahead and save the changes. And let us now go to my website again, or open my website. So as you can see, the menus are already available on my website. So these are the sub menus. So as I said earlier, so once you put cursor into the main menu, this section will pop up below it. So there you go. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching.